Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air compressors available on the market for their true quality. Whether you need an air compressor for inflating tires, powering tools, or general household use, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AstroAI Tire Inflator, our budget-friendly pick at just $31.98. This little powerhouse is perfect for those who need a reliable and compact air compressor for basic tasks, like inflating car tires, bike tires, or even balloons. One standout feature here is AstroAI's proprietary Tough Ultra technology, which enhances durability and extends the product's lifespan by 30%. It can deliver a maximum pressure of 100 psi and boasts an airflow capacity of 35 liters per minute, making it quick and efficient for its size. The design is lightweight and compact, weighing only 2.2 pounds, which makes it super portable and easy to store in your car trunk or glove compartment. The digital pressure gauge is a nice touch, offering 4 pressure units and an auto shutoff feature that prevents overinflation. Plus, the backlit screen and built-in LED flashlight make it easy to use in low-light conditions, such as during emergencies on the side of the road. While this inflator is great for quick inflation jobs and portability, it's not ideal for heavy-duty tasks or extended use. It's also corded, which means you'll need a 12-volt DC power source to operate it. However, for its price and convenience, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for an affordable, portable solution for occasional tire inflation, the AstroAI Tire Inflator is a fantastic choice. Pros include its compact size and programmable inflation, while cons include limited pressure capacity and reliance on a vehicle power source. Coming in at number 4 is the Aisafe Tire Inflator, priced at $69.99. This innovative cordless air compressor is loaded with modern features, including a smartphone app for added convenience. The standout feature here is its incredible 48 LPM airflow capacity, allowing it to inflate a standard SUV tire from 28 psi to 36 psi in just 40 seconds. It also comes with a 160 psi maximum pressure, making it one of the most powerful portable options in its class. The design is sleek and compact, with dimensions small enough to fit into your car's storage compartments or a backpack. Its 16,000 mAh battery offers exceptional endurance, inflating up to 7 tires on a full charge. The 45-watt USB-C fast charging capability means you can charge it fully in just 2 hours, and it even doubles as a power bank for your electronic devices. The app integration provides real-time pressure monitoring, usage history, and troubleshooting tips, although you can still use the device without the app if you prefer. While this product scores high on versatility and advanced features, it's a bit pricey compared to simpler models. Additionally, the app may feel like overkill for those just looking for a straightforward inflator. However, if you want a modern, feature-rich compressor that's powerful, portable, and ideal for multi-purpose use, the Aisafe Tire Inflator is a great pick. Pros include its cordless design, fast inflation, and app integration, while cons include its higher price point and reliance on app functionality for advanced features. At number 3, we have the DeWalt Pancake air compressor, a robust option priced at $169. This is an excellent choice for users who need a high-capacity air compressor for tools like nail guns, airbrushes, or sprayers. The 6-gallon tank and 165 psi maximum pressure ensure extended tool runtime and quick recovery, making it a reliable option for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from DeWalt, rugged and durable. The oil-free pump ensures low maintenance, and the 78.5 dBA noise level is relatively quiet for a compressor of this size. It's also surprisingly portable, weighing just over 30 pounds and featuring a convenient handle for easy transport. With 2 universal couplers, it can support multiple users simultaneously, adding to its versatility. This model is perfect for those who need a reliable, heavy-duty air compressor without breaking the bank. However, it's not the quietest option out there, and the included accessories are minimal. If you're looking for a solid, high-capacity compressor for moderate to heavy-duty tasks, the DeWalt Pancake air compressor is a fantastic choice. Pros include its high-pressure capacity, dual couplers, and low-maintenance design, while cons include its louder operation and higher weight. Taking the number 2 spot is the Ecomax 6-gallon Pancake air compressor, priced at $179.99. This model is a versatile powerhouse, offering a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a 6-gallon tank, which makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. It's equipped with a 1.5 HP motor and delivers 3 cubic inches of air at 90 psi, ensuring efficient tool operation and quick recovery times. What sets the Ecomax apart is its inclusion of a 10-piece accessories kit, which adds incredible value right out of the box. The oil-free pump minimizes maintenance costs, and the dual gauges make it easy to monitor pressure levels. The compact design, combined with a flip-up handle, makes it portable despite its 34-pound weight. It's designed to handle both indoor and outdoor tasks, including inflating tires, operating nail guns, and even light industrial uses. While the Ecomax offers excellent performance, the price might be a bit steep for casual users. Additionally, its noise level of 75 dB is noticeable, though not overly disruptive. If you're a professional or a serious DIYer looking for a reliable, multifunctional air compressor with added accessories, the Ecomax is a top-tier choice. Pros include its high efficiency, comprehensive accessories kit, and versatile applications, while cons include its higher price tag and weight. Finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt Tire Inflator, priced at $105.28. This portable air compressor is a true standout for its versatility and convenience. It features 3 power source options: 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC, and 110-volt AC, making it perfect for on-the-go use or at home. With a maximum pressure of 160 psi, it can handle a variety of inflation tasks, from car tires to sports equipment. The build quality is excellent, as expected from DeWalt. The heavy-duty rubber feet prevent the unit from walking while in use, and the threaded chuck ensures a secure connection. It's also incredibly user-friendly, with onboard accessory storage and an LED light for better visibility in low-light conditions. The high-volume inflation and deflation modes add extra functionality, making it suitable for inflating air mattresses or deflating them quickly. This model strikes a perfect balance between price, performance, and portability. However, it's worth noting that the battery is sold separately, which may increase the total cost. If you're looking for a portable, reliable, and feature-rich air compressor with the flexibility to handle various tasks, the DeWalt Tire Inflator is our top recommendation. Pros include its multi-power options, lightweight design, and high-pressure capability, while cons include the lack of an included battery and slightly higher noise levels at 92 dB. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right air compressor for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.